Hey guys, welcome back to Behind the Clutter. Today I have got something that I have been wanting for a long time and it's finally here. Today we are going to unbox this 1:9 scale model Ninja H2R. It's not just any model but the most realistic model that I have seen so far. First thing that you see when you open the box is this detailed leaflet. It has got full component breakdown of the bike. The headlights, rear suspension, exhaust, the battery compartment, everything's labeled. It is solid for a scale model. Now we have this foam layer protecting everything. Okay, so before we look into the bike, let me show you what all we get inside the box. So first we have these two red paddock stands, one for the front and the other one for the rear. They look really good and realistic. Then we get two keys. Yes, this bike has a key ignition system and has a self-start. Then we get these stickers, 3 of each. We have to stick them on the bike ourselves. Actually we only need 2 sets but the last one is a backup. A USB cable to charge the battery and this small fuel canister. You can see the use of this canister later in this video. And we have the bike itself. Come on, look at that. The green trellis frame, the dual brake rotors, Brembo calipers, headlights, exhaust, single side swing arm. For a 1:9 scale model, this thing is very detailed. Honestly, from here, I think it's better you just watch it for yourself. Words won't really do it justice.